I'm here at Rockscape and Kieran is there in the New Holland CR9.90 and Pat is carting in the Massey. And they are harvesting this crop of wheat. Just turn the auger on now to start to unload. And it's very, very windy today, so you can see the chaff is getting blown straight over in that direction, which is great for me. It means I won't get a face full. It's on tracks at the front, this CR9.90. And he's chopping all the straw as well. So I'm putting that organic matter back into the land where they'll work it in.